I think that'll conclude it for now. We're ready for the lower shock mounts now, so that's a good thing. So, yeah, actually turned out pretty decent. I want to get some rubber caps for the front. I'll show you these holes in a minute. But I got to put a drain hole in there. Water gets in that tube, it needs to drain out because it's going to fill up with water. So let's do this. Let's put a drain hole in there quick. Let's put one right in the center. Put a 5/8 hole in there. So let's measure center. That's 3/16 wall tubing, so that's gonna 29. That'd be 14 and a half. Okay, that's center. Then, well, we have enough drill bit to go all the way through. Yeah. Let's make that drain hole quick, and then we're gonna call this video done for now. So let's go right in the center. Well, I think we're just gonna make it. Just made it. Oops. What's going on here? We just made her. Now we're gonna put a big hole in there. I want that to drain out if water ever gets in there. Man, 11. I must have drilled 50 holes today in this truck. that small, but nah, let's get it bigger. It'll clog up with debris and then it'll rust it out anyway. There, that should drain water. There, now we got our drain hole. Oh, wish I didn't have to drill it that big up here, but I had to get through it. Unless I had the rear end out and went from the bottom up. But then the problem is you get that little burr in there, and then the water gets dammed up in there anyway. So this is probably actually better. So anyway, here's the upper shock mounts are done. So, and the bottom ones we'll do a video on later. But we're ready to go now. Rear end is all ready to go. So now we can put a box on it. Now, as soon as I get the tires on the rims, so I know the location exactly of the wheel wells, then we can start building the box. So now let's show you. Let's put this light over here. And hopefully we're still recording here. Let's unplug this and unclip this. Okay, yeah, we are. Okay, good deal. Now I gotta get out of here, so give me a minute. Then I'm gonna blow all these shavings real lightly to the floor, and then I'm gonna suck them up with a magnet. Okay. So now you can see the access holes now to the nuts. Now if you get plastic covers for these snap covers, that way then if those shock mounts ever break off, you can replace them, you know. So that's pretty cool, huh? The welds look okay. So, no work. I didn't weld underneath of the bar because that way I can drain. So anyway, please like and subscribe, guys. And I think the next thing we're going to do in the next video is I'm going to put in the rods that go from here to the firewall. I got some 3/4 inch, I believe it's 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch square tubing. And then I'll just paint them black. And then after that, next week, I want to get the steering put in, the steering shafts and the steering hems, and I got to connect the steering column to this. And then if I show you, today I started, let's see here, you gotta get some light on it though. Hold on, guys. Trying to do 15 things here at once. Alright, let me in, Rennie Tintin. But yeah, I started putting in the steering column today. So now I made this mount where the factory one was. And now the bottom one, I gotta make a mount going from here to the firewall. You know, might work on that tomorrow. We gotta tip this down a little bit because we got to shoot the double D shaft right through here somewhere. Drill a hole. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you I started working on that too. So yeah. Then I made that one day when I was cutting out the firewall. Then I made this up quick, my gauge panel. So that'll go there. So that'll bolt to this, and then I'll drill the big holes in there for my gauges. So anyway, that's all she said, I guess. Now I gotta clean up. Dang it, now I gotta clean up again. Well, her shock mount so far is turning out nice. And just gotta set the pinion angle later, weld the spring pads on each side here. And then I gotta weld the lower shock mounts on. I gotta make them. And I'll show you how I make them later. Maybe I'll make them a day and then I'll just hang them on the bottom of the shock or something. So they're there. But yeah, it's 98 Ford Ranger rear suspension with a Dana 60 with 410s, track lock, posi. Put a chrome cover on it so it goes faster. Then I put the disc brake conversion kit on it, you know. So, and that's on another video. So yeah. Well. Man. That's a mess. Yeah. Oh well. We'll get that all cleaned up and then. But yeah, please like and subscribe, guys. And we'll keep working away. We're getting there though, ain't we? Take care, guys. Please subscribe. I really could use it. But I won't demand it. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.